Hello, I'm Lawrence Dorsey, a fisheries biologist with the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission. Today we're going to show you some video from a recent survey for crappie at Lake Tomalex. Lake Tomalex is a 650-acre reservoir located in Davidson County, North Carolina. In this survey, we use trap nets to collect crappie. The icons you see on the map indicate the locations of the 12 trap nets used in this survey over a 2-night period in November. Before we look at how trap nets are fished by North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission personnel, it's important to understand how a trap net works. This is a simple diagram showing what a trap net looks like when it's set underwater. The net is anchored to the shore, perpendicular to the shoreline. Fish that are swimming parallel to the shoreline first encounter the lead, which directs them into the frame section of the net. The fish then swim into the cod end section, which contains funnels that prevent them from escaping. All of our nets are marked with orange buoys. As the team approaches the buoy, they position the boat to bring the net in over the side. The net is carefully lifted to prevent fish from escaping. Trap nets are effective at capturing crappie because crappie tend to move near the shoreline while foraging, often in schools. Fish such as largemouth bass, which are ambush predators that often move only small distances, are more effectively captured using other kinds of gear, such as electrofishing. As you can see, these nets are effective at capturing crappie and other species. Non-targeted species such as bass, sunfish, catfish, and carp are released since we are targeting crappie only with this gear. Once all the fish have been removed, the net is stretched tight in order to deploy it once again. Most trap net surveys occur over 2 or 4 nights depending on the size of the reservoir being surveyed. All nets are checked daily by Wildlife Resources Commission personnel during the survey period. We collect several kinds of data from crappie captured in these surveys. We obtain total length and weight for each fish. We also sacrifice a small number of crappie in order to extract their ear bones called otoliths. These structures allow us to determine how old the fish are and in turn how fast they are growing. Finally, we count all the crappie collected in the nets and divide this number by the total number of net nights. In this case, 12 nets were fished for 2 nights, which gives us 24 net nights. The resulting number is called catch per unit effort, and it gives us an idea of the density of crappie in the lake. All of these data are used to determine appropriate size and creel limits. We hope you found this video to be informative and that you will take advantage of fishing opportunities across North Carolina. For information on obtaining licenses or about the programs of the North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission, visit our website at www.ncwildlife.org.